A high-stakes hearing for the future of abortion playing out right here in Dallas. A court hearing underway right now. Megan Mitchell is live at the federal courthouse. So, Megan, you've been listening to the hearings. What can you tell us?
Yeah, and those hearings are still going on right now, Kara. It's actually not necessarily here at the federal building. This is where the overflow room is. It's happening in Amarillo, Texas. And a lot of people that I talked to here were somewhat upset because it's audio only, so they weren't able to actually see the hearing going on. That's not typical of a federal court live stream for an overflow room, but we've heard so far from the plaintiffs in this case. They're called Hippocratic Medicine, and the lawyers there argue that this pill to induce abortion is harmful. They say it caused doctors, the plaintiffs here, emotional turmoil, and that some women became ill and needed additional treatment from the doctors because of these pills. They say that the harm of chemical abortion drugs knows no bounds, and they believe that the FDA should not have approved these drugs and did so without validity. So they are calling for a complete ban. Now, to give you some context, while they were making those arguments, you had the judge going back and forth, kind of clarifying some of their arguments for the record. Possibly that childbirth is a dangerous and life-threatening condition and that this drug treats that. They also could mention that the approval was not accelerated by the FDA and took 4 years. They say that the FDA are experts in this case and law and court have no place here. Now, the arguments are going on right now. Of course, we have Tiffany Liu also in there. We kind of tag team this, and she's going to have much more on this case throughout the day. Reporting live here at the federal building, Kara, back to you.